Kitchen storage, it's a must. It doesn't matter how excellent or how beautiful your kitchen is, if you can't get everything out of the way, the kitchen looks messy, and I'm all for a streamlined kitchen. So make sure when you're designing your kitchen or you're talking to your kitchen designer, you make sure you have all the toys. Make sure, for instance, that you have plenty of drawers underneath worktops, deep drawers that can give you double height space, and especially if you have upper areas you need to access, these drawers and doors that slide up and down are excellent for accessing things you need to every day. But the look you want to try and achieve, and we're not living on the Starship Enterprise, is a beautiful streamlined kitchen. Just make sure that you adhere to all the little toys and tips that your kitchen designer can offer you. So make sure you can use small pieces of spaces for shelving. We can use pop-up doors. We can have pull-out drawers. And I'm a big fan of the larger storage, and it doesn't matter what design you're going for. It can be streamlined, it can be country cottage. These are all just a series of doors that conceal what you need, which is storage, and ultimate flexibility and practicability. But one of my favorite little sneakies is this larder, and it's a tandem larder. So you're not pulling front to back to try and get into the Coleman's mustard at the back of the shelf. This simply, as the door opens, the tandem unit moves out towards you. These shelves are adjustable, and this, when opened and closed, you will see gives ultimate storage for spices, knickknacks, everything. It's just my favorite thing. I spend all day actually really just reorganizing my spices. So kitchens can look amazing and should look amazing. Make sure you get the lighting right, but storage and all the toys inside that you need to make sure your kitchen work, like this tandem unit, is essential. It can be a very, very scary task with so much to choose from, and I often find myself in areas like this, where you have a range of worktops, doors, lighting. It's a lot to take on board. But first and foremost, get the plan right. Make sure all the toys are there to make sure your kitchen is a pleasure to cook up a storm.